Today's episode,
Flourless peanut butter cookies.
by Noam and Julie from Tasty Bakery.
Hi, welcome to the new Tasty Bakery baking channel.
Where we bake some recipes.
My son Noam came up with this idea to film and edit.
Yep, I do all that stuff. She does.
I do the baking. I started Tasty Bakery in May of 2009, and I started selling at the Ann Arbor Farmers Market there. And I also sell, or my crew, my husband and our crew sells at Sweetwater's, Zingerman's Next Door, Lab, Mighty Good Coffee, Produce Station, Argus Farm Stop, and some more. And we're going to open a store the middle of September at 416 West Huron Street, suite number 24. And we hope that we can bring you some goodies. But in the meantime, we are going to shoot
an episode, and it will be called Flourless
Peanut Butter Cookies.
And let's get straight into it.
The ingredients you will need are...
You will need 1 cup of peanut butter, preferably unsweetened.
You'll also need 1 cup of coconut sugar or brown sugar.
1 egg or 1 flax egg. If you're vegan, you'll know what this means. But a flax egg is 1 tablespoon of flax meal mixed with 2 tablespoons of water until it's goopy.
You will also need 1 teaspoon of vanilla,
1 teaspoon of baking soda,
and the final addition is 1 teaspoon of sea salt. And for the next part.
And now it's time to bake.
So, let's go to the kitchen.
Hi, welcome to the kitchen. Let's bake. Okay, as you know, we're making flourless peanut butter cookies today. And these are the ingredients here that we're going to need. Peanut butter. This is coconut sugar, organic coconut sugar. This is the flax meal because I'm going to make a flax egg. My vanilla, salt, and baking soda. Okay, I'm going to start by making the flax egg, which is 1 tablespoon of flax meal. And then we've got 2 tablespoons of water here. And then I'm going to just take my whisk. I'm going to mix it up a little bit. I'm going to kind of let this set for just a minute, and then it's going to thicken. Okay? Let's begin. So I've got my peanut butter here. I'm just going to scoop this in. So it says a cup, which is about 250 grams if you're working in grams. I'm just going to use my cup so I don't have to touch the peanut butter here. And then I've got my cup of coconut sugar, which is about 150 grams. Okay. Now I've got my egg goop here, so you can kind of see it's gotten thick. Set that down and scrape this out. Okay. Now I need a teaspoon of salt. We use sea salt. Got a teaspoon of baking soda. You don't want to forget this. This kind of holds it together and makes it so they're not smushy. And then we've got a teaspoon of vanilla. All right, let's mix it together. Okay, we're going to mix this together. Right now it looks like this. Now it looks like this. You can kind of see what it looks like here. It's really nice. We're going to bake it. Okay, now I'm scooping my dough out. Now at Tasty Bakery we measure ours to 42 grams, 42 grams of dough. I'm going to do a couple for you here. It's really great if you have like a little scooper. needs a little bit more. Okay. Now, I want to roll it a little. And then I'm going to give it a little push. Like that. And then we're going to fill up this whole pan with about a dozen. And then we'll bake it in the oven. Okay, the cookies are on the pan. As you can see, I'm shy a dozen. So if you want a dozen, you might want to use a little bit less than 41 grams per cookie. So here we go. Get this in the oven. And the instructions are...
Bake this for
13 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius.
Okay.
So we're about halfway through. We're going to rotate these guys. And then the rest of the baking. Alright. Okay, now we're going to take it out. Ooh, look at these beauties. And we're going to put them on the cooling rack. We're going to let them cool, and then we're going to enjoy them. And here are your tasty, flourless peanut butter cookies.
Hope you enjoyed. This has been
Tasty Bakery.
filmed and edited by Noam.
Made and baked by Julie.
Thanks for watching.